Go on, my son.
Cheers.
That was impressive. What is a standing jump?
Ewan! Yeah?
That's high. Good effort, Ewan. Everybody was clapping for you.
That boy had to tell something to me about it though. He had to say, believe it, you can fly.
Well,
Excellent, well give me 5. Good shout, I've got it all on video.